Hello, everyone. In today's episode, we're decorating the coffee station. So, if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. This is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, today I'm decorating my coffee station for Valentine's Day. So, sit back and enjoy. I did pick up a couple of new things for this time. So, we'll talk about it as it goes along. I'm going to put back in my old stables, which are my tray and my coffee cup tree. Creamer. We have the sugar and the coffee. Now, these things here are always here. Oh, one more item. Now, these items are always here. So now let's start decorating it for Valentine's.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you know? Oh, baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
Now let's get an overview of the coffee station. Now you know my Mr. and Mrs. Wright always sit on the coffee machines. I have my girl back up with a flower hairdo. And I couldn't decide whether to keep the hot coffee white sign on this side or switch it to the other with the clear coffee cups. Now those glass coffee cups, they were from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 5. I thought I got 6, but hey, I can go back and get another one. But I think they came out really nice for what I set them up with this year. The pink hearts that are inside, I always had those. I bought those at Hobby Lobby years ago. And the little heart dish that I put inside the cloche, I've had those for years as well. The little mushrooms on the sticks, those were purchased from a person on Etsy years ago. You see I'm moving it around because I couldn't decide if it should have been on this side or the other side. Let me know down below, which side do you think it should be on? Should it be on the left side or the right side? But the only thing that's new, as I said, in this decor are the clear glass coffee cups. Everything else was already in my stash. And I think it came out really cute. The Be Mine sign, of course, you know, they came from the Dollar Tree a few years back. And the foam on top of the coffee cup came from Etsy. That's the lady that did the little marshmallows on a stick. I think it came out really cute this year. I'm feeling it this year. So let me know what you think about my coffee station for Valentine's Day down below in the comments. And I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.